Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to delete a project in Claude AI. So if you want to delete a project, we can go simply right here to chat first of all, because if you just want to delete a chat, you can go to chat, three dots right there and then click on delete, but be careful, you will delete the information from that chat, so do only if you want to do that. But if you want to delete a project, we go right here to projects and then you will find right here your project. So let's select here one and then right now you will find everything here in this project. If you want to delete this project, we can go right here to the three dots and select right here on delete. But be careful also for this one, if you delete this, you will delete the complete project and everything will be loose. So be careful with that. I don't have anything standing in this project. So I click right here on delete, and boom, our project is gone. So this is how you can delete a project right here in Claude AI. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.